What's up, you crazy people? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be covering Instagram and I'm going to be doing it in 60 seconds, so stay tuned. If you're new here, I'm Damian Mooruth. I give all advice and value around social media marketing, how to grow, how to dominate. If you want to do that, stay tuned, run that B-roll. Okay guys, welcome back. Are you ready for these tips? Start the timer. So Instagram is a social platform. I say it over and over again. You need to be out there, you need to be commenting and liking on other people's profiles. When they've put a post up, leave the 2 cents as a comment. When you post for yourself, make sure to share that to stories. Use the story feature. It's a great feature and it will help you to drive traffic to your recent posts. When you have a business profile, use the readily available Insights tool. It will give you everything you need to know about where your traffic's coming from and how your profile is performing. Be consistent with your design throughout your Instagram. Don't swap and change how your profile looks. Keep it in a good flow. And when you're uploading, try and mix videos as well as pictures, because Instagram does favor both, but they do like recently video. And make sure you use all the hashtags available. You can use up to 30 hashtags. Make sure you use them all, unlike Twitter where we recommend 2 to 3. Ooh, that was close. I shouldn't have mentioned Twitter at the end. Damn you, Twitter. I hope these tips have helped. If you want to know more in-depth Instagram tips, then make sure to check out my other videos. I've got a playlist on social media advice and I've got a lot of Instagram tips, so make sure you watch them. Again, if you're new here, smash that subscribe button, tap the bell so you don't miss any future videos, and guys, I'll see you on the next video.